If you understand this conversation, you can start speaking English like real Americans. Let's learn how two strangers start a natural conversation in a coffee shop. Welcome to Fluent Speak Lab. Here, you practice real-life English conversations to improve your speaking and listening skills step by step. Let's start today's lesson. Hey, is this seat taken?
No, it's free. You can sit here.
Thanks. This place is really crowded today.
Yeah, it usually gets busy in the afternoon.
I just came here to relax a bit.
Same here. Coffee shops are good for that.
Yeah, I actually don't come here often.
Oh, really? First time?
Not first time, but I'm still not used to talking to people here.
That's okay. Everyone feels a little shy sometimes.
Yeah, I guess I am a bit shy.
Don't worry, you're doing fine.
Thanks. By the way, what are you drinking?
It's an iced coffee.
Looks good. Is it strong?
A little strong, but I like it that way.
I usually go for something sweet.
Like what?
Caramel latte.
Nice choice. That's popular here.
Yeah, I think I'll order that next time.
You should.
Do you come here often?
Yes, almost every weekend.
That's a nice routine.
It helps me relax and think.
I usually just scroll my phone everywhere.
That's common.
So, what do you do?
I work as a social media manager.
Oh, wow. That sounds interesting.
It is, but sometimes stressful.
I can imagine.
What about you?
I work in sales.
Nice. That must involve talking to people a lot.
Yes. That's why I'm trying to improve my communication.
Then this is good practice for you.
Yeah. I guess I'm practicing right now.
Exactly.
I feel a bit nervous, though.
That's normal when talking to new people.
Yeah. But this feels easier than I expected.
Because you just started naturally.
True.
So what made you come here today?
Just wanted a quiet place to think.
Sometimes that's important.
Yeah. Life gets busy.
It really does.
I'm glad I sat here today.
Me too.
So, do you live nearby this coffee shop?
Yes, just a few blocks away. I usually walk here.
That's nice. I wish I had a place like this near my home.
You don't?
Oh, not really. My area is more quiet. Not many coffee shops around.
Oh, that sounds peaceful though.
It is, but sometimes too quiet.
I understand. Balance is important.
Yeah, I think I like places like this more.
Because there's life and people?
Exactly.
So, what do you usually do when you're not working?
Honestly, I just stay home most of the time.
Really? You don't go out much?
Not much. I'm trying to change that.
That's good. Meeting people helps.
Yeah, that's why this conversation is actually helpful for me.
I'm glad to hear that.
I usually feel awkward talking to strangers.
A lot of people do. You just need practice.
So, you're saying I should talk more?
Yes, even small conversations like this.
That makes sense.
Do you like your job?
Sometimes yes, sometimes no.
That's honest.
Yeah, it depends on the day.
What's the hard part?
Talking to customers all the time.
Oh, so communication pressure.
Exactly. That's why I want to improve my English speaking.
Then you're in the right place today.
Yeah, I didn't expect to practice like this.
Real practice is always better than studying alone.
True.
Do you watch English videos or practice speaking?
I watch videos, but I don't speak much.
That's a common mistake.
What should I do?
Repeat sentences out loud, even simple ones.
Like what?
Like, I am going to work. I like coffee. How was your day?
Well, that sounds easy.
It is easy, but very powerful.
I should start doing that.
Yes, every day.
So, you're good at talking to people naturally.
I've just practiced a lot.
Were you always confident?
No, I used to be shy too.
Really?
Yes, I was scared of conversations.
That's surprising.
But I slowly improved by talking more.
So, confidence comes from practice?
Exactly.
I feel like I'm learning a lot just sitting here.
That's the best kind of learning.
I didn't expect a simple coffee shop visit to be like this.
Sometimes small moments change your thinking.
Yeah, I feel more relaxed now.
Good. So, are you enjoying your coffee?
Yeah, it's actually really good.
Nice. Coffee makes conversations better.
True. Do you come here alone usually?
Yes. I like quiet time sometimes.
I usually avoid being alone outside.
Being alone is also good sometimes.
Maybe I should try that more.
You should.
I think I'm starting to feel more comfortable talking.
That's a good sign.
Yeah, I didn't think I could talk this easily.
You just needed the right situation.
And the right person to talk to.
Maybe.
I'm actually glad I sat here today.
Me too.
It feels like a small but important moment.
Sometimes those are the best ones.
Yeah. So, I guess we've been talking for quite a while.
Yeah. Time goes fast when the conversation is good.
I didn't even notice.
That's usually a good sign.
I honestly feel more confident now than when I came in.
That's great. You should feel proud of that.
I never thought a simple coffee shop visit could help me like this.
Small moments can change a lot.
Yeah, I think I understand that now.
So, what will you do after this?
Probably go home, but I'll try to practice what we talked about.
Like speaking out loud?
Yeah, simple sentences every day.
Good. That's how fluency builds.
I used to think I needed grammar books all the time.
Grammar helps, but speaking is the real key.
I see that now.
You know, you already improved just in this one conversation.
Really?
Yes. You spoke more naturally at the end than at the beginning.
I didn't notice that.
That's how progress works.
That actually makes me happy.
So, do you think you'll come here again?
Yeah, I think so.
Maybe we'll meet again then.
I hope so.
You should keep practicing English conversations like this.
I will.
This felt really helpful. Before today, I thought speaking English was very hard.
And now?
Now, I feel like I just need practice, not fear.
Exactly. Fear is the biggest barrier.
Yeah, I think I was overthinking too much.
Most people do.
I'm actually glad I chose this seat.
Me too.
It changed my mood completely.
That's nice to hear. Okay, I should probably head out soon.
Yeah, same here.
It was really nice meeting you.
Same here. Seriously.
Take care, Mason.
You too, Emily.
Remember this. Fluency doesn't come from studying only. It comes from using English in real life.
Yeah, today proved that for me.
Even one small conversation can improve your confidence.
I feel that now.
And for everyone watching this, don't wait to be perfect. Start speaking English today. Start with simple sentences. Make mistakes and keep going. That's how real improvement happens.
If this video helped you understand real English conversation, then you're already improving more than you think. Now, take action. Like this video, subscribe to Fluent Speak Lab, and practice speaking English every day.
We bring real-life English conversations every week so you can learn natural American English step by step. Keep practicing, keep repeating, and you will become fluent.
Today, I came here just for coffee, but I'm leaving with confidence, and you can do the same in your English journey.